Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 24 14.5. This camper comes in at 29 feet 7 inches from tongue to bumper and weighs right at 6,400 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, this camper comes with a power tongue jack with an LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Has the hard shell cover with a quick access lid. Behind me we have a red key that is a 12-volt cutoff switch. That will kill all 12-volt power to your battery when the camper is not in use. Diamond plate rock guard. You have your curved radius front end. Fiberglass sidewalls. This camper is also prepped for the Furrion 360 camera system, so you can add these side mount cameras very easily if you wanted to. Up front we have lots of storage here. We have your solar controller, the brain for it on the front wall. There is 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof. Down below, we have electric jacks on this model. There's a switch right here that'll run the front two jacks up and down. How that works, one jack will come down and hit the ground first, then the other one will come down to equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We also have your leash latch. We are pet friendly, so the furry family members can tag along as well. Nice large power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your entrance steps going up inside where each leg is adjustable as well. Oversized grab handle with the extra drop on it. Full-size entrance door is the black tempered glass door, has an integrated window and a full-size screen door. Outside speakers that light up blue. Here we have your TV bracket, so you can take your TV from the inside and move it out here. We have your TV connections down below. Down here, the center cap is popped off. We have your quick easy lube axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes. They also come with this tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, this will turn red if you're low on air on the side. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and just do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Back here, this is a toy hauler. You have the sliding glass patio door. Massive door back here, lets in a lot of natural sunlight and a lot of extra airflow as well. So really neat feature, and you also have the steps to utilize the door back here. Here we have your power jacks in the back. We also have your ventilation system, so you can get a cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road, and another leash latch back here. As we move to the back of the camper, we have your ramp door patio system. As you can see, it is all set up here. We have a couple chairs out back. Up top, it has the nice bright LED lights and also the backup camera that is included as well. There is a screen wall that will roll down so you can help keep the bugs out and help keep the air in as well. Making our way around this side, there is a sewer hose holder underneath so you can store your sewer hose underneath there when not in use. Here we have your furnace exhaust vent. This camper is a 50 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. There's a cable satellite connection, so if your campground offers that, you can tap right into it. Down below, we have your dump station, black handle for the black tank, and gray handle for the gray tank. As we make our way up front, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. We have an outside shower. It's your high-pressure spray port down below here. Black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, hook your water hose up here and that'll clean out your black tank for you. And last but not least, we have your water fill station. On the left-hand side, you would fill up your fresh water tank, so if you're dry camping or boondocking, you'd fill up the fresh water, turn on your water pump, and use that water. Over here on the right-hand side is your city water, so if you're at a campground, hook the water hose up and that'll pressurize the lines for you. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Cherokee Wolfpack 24 14.5, and now we'll take a look at the inside. And now we'll make our way on the inside. We have the bathroom door directly in front of us there. And we're going to have the living room and garage area over on this side. Nice and open. What's really nice about this floor plan, you can get a ton of natural light in here and airflow as well. And we're going to get started right inside the entrance door here. Up top is one of those vents for the cross ventilation. This is also a window. It has the screen darkener on it, so if you're hauling stuff back here, nobody could see inside. We have a 110 outlet down by the floor. And these tie-down brackets, you'll notice Wolfpack does a great job running these tie-down brackets all the way up front here and also dispersing them in the back. So lots of tie-down brackets all throughout. Here's a look at that nice patio door. We have the curtains that can pull shut for that as well. Up top, we have some indoor speakers with the Wolfpack logo that light up with that blue LED accent light. We have your 15K roof-mounted AC that is ducted all the way through as well. In the back, there's a look at that screen wall that can roll down. And of course, the patio system here. We have these two chairs, as you can see. It can be in the chair position as it is on the left. You can also make it just like it is on the right. And the back will also lay flat. So you got two cots here for extra sleeping as well. Over here, we have this little bar stool area, or the bar tabletop. That will collapse flat to the wall. And you have a couple bar stools to go with that as well. Another window on this side, and this really large flat screen TV that is a smart TV as well. Moving over into the kitchen area, we have some cabinets up top. The range vent that will vent to the outside. Nice large kitchen window here as well. There is 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks, and this will be the switch to turn those on and off. And right underneath that, you can see how full your tanks are. In the kitchen area here, have some counter space on the left. We have a cup rinsing station up top. Nice single bowl sink here. We have your high-rise faucet. It is also going to come with the 3-burner stove, and that has the glass cover for extra prep space when you are not cooking. Down below, we have 3 storage drawers on the left-hand side. Nice storage cabinet right underneath the kitchen sink. And we'll open that up and take a look here. Furnace underneath the microwave. The microwave is also a convection oven and an air fryer, all 3 in one. Underneath the refrigerator, your furnace is ducted through the cabinets. We have your breakers and fuses over here. And then we have the 12-volt refrigerator. It is 12-volt only, which is why we have the 200 watts of solar up top to help run that as you're traveling down the road. The 12-volt refrigerators are nice. They are deeper than the gas electrics, and they are also much more efficient. They cool down a lot quicker. There is another storage cabinet right up above the refrigerator. There is also a place that you could add a camera in the garage here. So if you're hauling your motorcycle or anything else back here, you could add the camera to keep an eye on that while traveling down the road. Here we have a voltmeter. Keep an eye on your battery. Your awning switch to run that in and out, and a couple light switches underneath that. And down below, we have another 110 outlet. As we move into the hallway, down below, you're going to have your CO detector. Up top, we're going to have your stereo connection. It is Bluetooth only, so you can sync your phone to it and play music from your favorite app. And that will control the inside and outside speakers. And then we have your thermostat for the air conditioner and the furnace. And now we'll move into the bathroom area, which will be on our left-hand side here. As we step inside, you'll notice there is plenty of room in here. We have your shower with the curtain to pull across. We have all of that storage on the left-hand side, perfect for linens over there. Upgraded shower head. You get a skylight directly above the shower. And also this really large exhaust fan. That is a MaxxAir multi-speed exhaust fan. The toilet down below has plenty of leg room on both sides. And then, of course, you get the vanity area with your sink in here, a 110 outlet, your light switch. We have your medicine cabinet over here on the right. On the left, we have your on-demand water heater thermostat, and then the MaxxAir remote, so you can turn that exhaust fan on and off. Next up, we will move into the bedroom area. We make our way back out into the hallway and up in the bedroom. Directly inside on the right-hand side, you'll notice this massive window we have over here. Wolfpack does a great job at putting these really large windows in. You also have a built-in nightstand, and that is going to have a 110 and 12-volt charge port right beside it. You get some hanging storage on this side. We have the king-size mattress up front here. Nice large mattress. We have the decorative wallboard up front. Overhead storage with the cargo nets and a couple a couple lights above the bed there as well. On the other side, you still have more hanging storage. Another 110 and 12-volt charge port. Another massive window on that side. There is a spot to hang a TV in here. You have your connections up on the ceiling. There is a TV backer sticker over here on the left-hand side, so you can hang your TV on the wall. AC is ducted all the way through. You'll notice that white shroud there, that is going to be for an AC prep. So it is prepped for the second air conditioner. It is a 50 amp unit, so that will handle it. Over here, they add a 12-volt charge port, so if you were to add that Furrion 360 camera system, you can keep your monitor charged up right there and use it even while you're camping. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Cherokee Wolfpack 24 14.5. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.